So we're gonna start this car now. Oh, bit of a backfire.
Okay, something different. One more Mercedes on channel.
Mold that was caused by the leak. That shouldn't be there. That should be proper OEM old Mercedes. Alright, it's stuck, yeah? Uh-oh. Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we'll be working on this Mercedes-Benz. Vitale, what are you doing, man? You don't. I know what to say. You don't have to remind me. Okay. So yeah, today we're working on what's that? Mercedes-Benz 450 SLC V8 4.5. In the previous video, we was working on the GTC, which I said that's not how Mercedes plays. V8, not naturally aspirated. That's not how Mercedes plays. We have twin turbo. Well, back in 1980s, they didn't have turbos. They were slow, sound well as well. Anyways, this car had a similar issue as the GTC. It had a water leak in the driver's and passengers' footwells. So the customer said he wants the engine bay detail, the car washed and cleaned outside, and the car clean on the inside as well. So the problem with this car, we figure out why it's leaking water. Sash, come here, please, closer. We will show our YouTubers. The reason why this car is leaking is this window seal. So every time it's raining, what's that? Water goes in, car is wet, not good. Car was moldy, car was smelling like... Oh yeah, new hoodies. Yeah. We're starting new merch, Dream Car Detailing, and the Vela Works. We won't be fixing that because we can't find parts. We got it cleaned, as you can see. It's spotless now again. And most importantly, it's dry. Where the customer is gonna hold this car afterwards on the field or in the garage, I don't know. But at this moment, car is clean and it's dry. So yeah, we'll get into the video shortly and we'll show you the whole process. Enjoy the video. So we are on the way to collect the car, myself and Lucas. The weather is horrible. We'll see how the car is. So we have picked up the car and we are on the way back to the garage. Another one.
Another one. Again, this fella. Hello, Lucas.
Hello.
Welcome back. One more Mercedes on channel. Bro, don't die. It's shit day to die, man.
Shit way to die from a Mercedes.
Yeah. Oh, look. Whoa.
First thing that we're gonna do with this car is we're gonna start washing the engine bay. Get it steam cleaned and everything, get it dressed nicely, and then wash the outside of the car, and then we move into the interior. So we're gonna start this car now. This car can be a real pain in the hole to start. It's old, it probably needs a service as well, so we'll attempt to start it now. Okay, battery seems to be good. Okay, let's give it a start. Oh, bit of a backfire. But yeah, it sounds so sweet. We'll show you the outside as well now.
Okay, we got the sim cleaner in action because we don't want to soak up the engine stuff. They shouldn't be soaked. Lepati BMW kapic.
Okay, with the engine bay tidied up, we can't do much more. We will be putting dressing on these faded plastics, and after the wash obviously it's gonna be a bit wet, so we're gonna give it a once over. Now we're gonna do all the door jambs, the boot jamb, show you now. So now we're gonna steam clean and brush all the door jambs, all this mess in here, and after that we're washing the car. So yeah. All cleaned up, looking fresh again. Okay, so this bit is all nice and clean for now. Next up is driver's door jamb. See, all filthy, full of spider webs, and we are about to change that. Much better. We'll have to give them a wipe once we wash the car again, but no more spider web and all this dirt, unwanted dirt. Okay, so finally it's time to give this car a wash. We'll be leaving the time lapse somewhere and you can enjoy the process of us washing the car. So yeah, we hope you enjoy.
The smoke from this car is unreal. Solution.
Right, so with the car washed, looking nice again. Paintwork is actually immaculate. I'd say it was resprayed. So all these seals are probably the reason why a lot of water is getting into the car. So to remove the seats out of this car, it's very simple. There's no electronics, there's nothing. So 13 mil on the impact, 4 bolts, and the seat is out. So Sasha's gonna demonstrate this to you now. Again, yeah. So there was not only 4 bolts that were holding it. There's a 2 Phillips head on each side, the big ones. So once we remove them, seats are coming out. Right, so all bolts undone. Seat is coming out slowly.
Since there are wires, there is a wire.
There is a wire. I don't disconnect it yet until we disconnect the battery. So there was 2 vacuum lines underneath. We were right, there was no wiring. So yeah, seat is out. Let us see what's going on in here. Okay, this one seems to be wet. Let me see underneath. Oh, something's holding it. Oh, no way, that's the whole carpet. All around the pedals. We will have to figure out how to remove that now. Let's say it should be simple. Now, it was fairly simple. It just went around the pedal. But, let me see, this one. Yeah, this one is wet. But it's not soaked. It's just dropping, let's say, from here onto the carpet. So, yeah, good thing is this one's not flooded, thank God. But we will have to do a full interior valet and get it dry. So, its seats and carpets are stripped out. There's a bit of water on this side and that side, probably coming from damaged rubber seals. So the customer, actually the client, will have to get them replaced in order to stop the water from leaking. Rear was dry enough. Only thing that we have is this bit of mold that was caused by the leak. This side is okay. Actually no, there's a bit on the seat as well here. So now clean up the car and we'll see how it's gonna look after. So all the little carpet bits here, we're keeping them because they're glued on the car, and all this stuff. Oh yeah, before I forget, the boot as well. That's what we have. Like all this came off, but yeah, we'll make it tidy, get everything cleaned up, all the plastics underneath. We will be removing this spare wheel to clean underneath as well, all this mess. Okay, interior is all cleaned up. Next up, we have to return all the carpet bits and carpets, seats back in, and we're finishing up. How is that? Yeah. Leather all clean as well. Looks fresh. Yeah, same as on this side, all clean. Such a classic. Except the radio. That should be proper OEM old Mercedes radio that only plays 3 stations and cassette, maybe. If cassette. But yeah, time to put it back together. That's all for this video. We hope you like it. Make sure you subscribe to our channel as well, because that will help us a lot. This beauty is now ready to go home, looking fresh again. So if you like the content like this, let us know in the comments. Let us know what we could have done different, or if you did a good job. Also, share this video with someone who has similar car to this. The fuck was that?